Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to be installing this, I call it an express. This goes, your control arm fits here. This goes between your control arms. It's usually you just get a bottom brace, which is this piece here, and it holds the bottom of all the wishbones basically in place, because as these Mark 1s get older, the wishbones they actually start sagging or splitting apart, and you find that your wheels actually go negative camber because the bottoms push out. These cars have no subframe, so that's actually a weak spot on these cars. So this helps with the bottom brace, helps hold them together. I've got one of these on my black two-door, but also this has support on the rear mounting point as well. So this is actually a much sturdier system than just the bottom brace. I guess this is good for track cars, but I saw this and really liked it, and I wanted to put it on this car because we will be putting some decent power on this car hopefully. So yeah, I bought this from Nathan. I think it's VW Motorsport, if I'm stand to be corrected. I'll put his details and description details in the description below, so please check him out. Got really good service from him. He does post nationwide. I bought this about 4 or 5 months ago. I was just busy with the car to install this, too busy to install it, so we'll install it now. I'll also give some measurements in terms of the height, how low it actually does go down, so all you guys with very low cars, you can take that into account. Back then I did pay $8.50 for this, and he does charge a delivery fee. Luckily he's not very far off from me, so he did deliver to my house directly, so appreciated this. As I said, really good service from him. So guys, yeah, we'd appreciate it if you do support him if you like this system. So let's install it and see how it fits. Let's get the car up on jack for now. Okay guys, so I've removed the rear mountings for the wishbone. Here's the front mounting. So I found that you need to remove the rear and the front, and then try and get the bar in. So this is the driver's side. I've done passenger side. Let's start with this. This is a 19mm bolt. So right there. Okay guys, the impact can't go in straight because of the sump, so let me get a socket set. Alright guys, here's the rear mount. Okay, sorry. Here's the bracket that I removed. So we need to get this here into the stud there. So let's try and wrestle with it. Guys, sorry, I cannot film this. There's not enough space underneath the vehicle, and also there's yeah, the lighting is terrible. I need both hands, so sorry guys, I can't film this, but I'll bring you back as soon as it's done. Okay guys, so we've got everything mocked up. There you can see passenger side, driver side, goes around to the front. You can't see much, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the mounts on. I'm just going to hand tighten everything, get everything in place, and then we'll start tightening everything. Just need some persuasion here. Get the washers in. Alright guys, as I said, it's quite a struggle since my car is quite low off the ground due to having crappy jacks. So the worst part of this is trying not to damage the thread while getting stuff back in. That's one. Okay guys, so this is the front bit of the mount. That's the driver's side, and here's the passenger side. So we just need to line up the holes and then tighten everything up. Let's try and line everything up. Okay guys, let me just line this up and I'll bring you back. Okay guys, so it's lined up. Let's put the bolt in there and hand tighten it. Okay guys, so I'm going to repeat the exercise for the, this is the passenger or driver side, the rear is on there, there's the front. So I'm going to do it for the passenger side and I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, as you can see, we've got that side hand tightened, but now the problem we have here is that this brace is slightly lower than the hole and I need to line it up. Unfortunately I'm working alone and I need an extra set of hands, so what I'm going to do is I'll put a scissor jack under here, and let's just use this to give us the leverage that we need. Okay. Let's see. Okay guys, nearly there. Okay. Okay, we went a bit too high. Lower it a bit. Let's check. Beautiful. It's a little bit less. There we go. Let's try and get this bolt in there. Okay, here we go. The bolt is in. So the last one we need to get in is the back one there. Hey guys, sorry we got cut off there. As I was saying, here's an overview of everything. I did have a couple of issues, but I think it was due to my car mainly. So do I recommend it? Yes I do. But if you want the cheap option, you can get just that bar there. And if you really want, you can just get a piece of angle line, put it from there straight across to the other side. The only thing you'll need to do is in the angle line, just around here, the gearbox, just cut a slight notch and you will be fine, and also it will be a much slimmer design. I've done it on my Mark 1 GTI back in the day when I had no money. Just for you guys who need some dimensions, from the tip of the gearbox, as you can see there's a sump, the gearbox to the bottom there, that is 3.5 centimeters. So from there to there, 3.5 centimeters. So that's how low this bar is. So just give you some sort of dimensions if you're thinking of getting this. So guys, hope this helps someone. Please like and subscribe, share as well. Thank you guys, and see you guys soon. Cheers, bye.